Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Problem 1. Good one. Problem 2. 8 minus 9 equals... I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem 3. 4 plus 0 equals... Great job! That's right! You did great! Come here and get your prize! A shiny quarter! Problem 1. 3 minus 8 equals... Good one. Problem 2. 8 minus 0 equals... You're doing fantastic. Problem 3. Times equals...
No running in the halls. 15 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn?